What's good, YouTube? My name is Victoria and I'm the V in MV Curls. In this video, I want to show you how I style my hair to achieve this kind of a look. So if you'd like to see what I do, stick around. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. All right, let's get to it. Here.
So step one, I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to do this initially by using the praying hands method, and then I'm going to use my wet brush to evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. In step two, I'm going to use a styling cream. So this cream is going to add moisture to my hair, but it's also acting as a styler and will leave a cast when my hair is dry. I'm going to apply the styling cream the same way I did the leave-in conditioner. And then it's time to scrunch away. You want to really encourage those curls by scrunching the product into the hair. So step three for me is applying a mousse. I absolutely love mousses. I find that for my finer wavy/curly hair, they work really well at adding volume without weighing down my hair. So I use a good 2 handfuls of this as my final styling product, and I scrunch away until I can see ringlets forming. Step 4 is time to diffuse. So I start by hovering around my hair until the styling products form an initial cast. And then I like to focus on my roots since they take the longest time to dry. I like to use my arm as a little resting place for my long curls. This helps to focus the drying to the midsection of my hair and to my roots, since the ends dry the fastest. I learned this pro tip from Wavy Curly on Instagram, but essentially you use your fingers and squeeze them together to see if the hair is completely dry. Finally, I use a couple drops of my favorite Righteous Roots oil to scrunch out the crunch and fluff my hair for maximum volume and shine. And that's it. That's my 5-step go-to styling routine for my long wavy to curly hair. My hair has a mind of its own, and as you can see, I have waves in the back of my hair and on the sides, and these more defined curls and ringlets at the front. I hope this was helpful for any of you curly or wavies out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.